Hello there and welcome to another episode of Mr. Johnson's Math Class. I'm your host, Mr. Johnson. Today we are discussing unit rates. By the end of this episode, you will be able to find and compare unit rates. Alright, now in this example, Andrew takes off on a hike and he hikes 8 miles, and along his way he crosses 24 bridges. We want to know how many bridges does he cross in 1 mile. So I've got to set up my unit rate. So the first thing I like to do is just write out in words what it is I'm comparing. So for this one, the rate that we're going to use is bridges per mile. Again, the reason I knew that, just remember a unit rate has a denominator of 1. The question says 1 mile, so I know that the mile is going to equal 1. The denominator has to be 1, so therefore miles has to be our denominator. Use the information that they gave us. So they tell us 8 miles and 24 bridges. So I set up 24 bridges per 8 miles. And now to figure out the unit rate, I'm going to divide by 8. And when we do that, we get 3 bridges per mile. So if he only walks 1 mile, he'll cross 3 bridges.